Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek to write SEO-friendly blog posts. If you're a blogger, you know how important it is to write SEO-friendly content that ranks well on Google. But coming up with ideas, optimizing keywords, and writing engaging posts can be time-consuming. That's where DeepSeek comes in. Today, I'm showing you how to use it to write the SEO-friendly blog posts. So let's get started. And the first question is, why use DeepSeek for blog writing? DeepSeek is an AI tool that can help you brainstorm topics, structure your posts, or even write content that's optimized for search engines. It is like having a writing assistant that knows SEO inside out. So let me show you how it works. Step 1 is brainstorm blog topics. So if you don't have an idea for a blog post idea, then then you can just ask it to, for example, give you 10 blog posts ideas about home workouts for beginners or any other topic that you want to write the post about. So I'm gonna just type it right in. Then you can see it has given me the ideas just like that. Then the step 2 is to research keywords. Keywords are really important for SEO. So you can ask DeepSeek to suggest keywords for your topic. For example, what are 5 high traffic keywords for blog posts about the workouts for beginners? So let's ask it that. And now it'll generate it. So it can give you the words that are very important to include in your post, or as a keyword, as a hashtag, or something else that will bring attention to your post. So you can see that here are the keywords like beginner workout plan, home workouts for beginners, easy exercises for beginners, how to start working out for beginners, or beginner-friendly workout routines. And then it is also really important to create an SEO-friendly outline. So if you want to create an outline for your post, you can just ask it to create an outline for a blog post titled, then provide the title. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Then let's copy one of the titles, for example, this one. Then you can also specify to include an introduction, tips with subheadings, and a conclusion. So that's what I'm gonna type in as well. And this will ensure your post is organized and easy to follow, so it also brings more attention. And you can see it actually gives me the outline, so it's not the post itself, but it's the outline. But if you want, you can also use DeepSeek to create the post itself. So now based on this outline that it has given you, you can say something like write a 500-word blog post based on this outline about, so I don't need to include about because we know what the outline was about, but we can say to include the keywords mentioned before, and then hit on enter and wait for for that to be generated. While it's generating that, let's talk about another important thing, which is a meta description for your blog posts. So if you need to include a meta description, which is important for SEO, then you can just ask it to write a meta description for a blog post. So now it has generated it. So this is the post you can use. Now I'm gonna ask it to write a meta description for this blog post. And you can see it is concise, includes relevant keywords, and encourages clicks by highlighting the value of the post. Then another step, which is also pretty important, is a CTA, which is a call to action. It's important in posts because it encourages readers to take the next step, whether it's subscribing to your newsletter or checking out another post. So let's now ask it to write a CTA for this blog post. And this is what is suggested to add at the end of the post, so people can answer to that or just follow your blog. And a bonus tip is you can use DeepSeek for blog titles. So now let's ask it to, for example, create a very catchy title for that post. And that's how you use DeepSeek to write SEO-friendly blog posts. From brainstorming to optimization, DeepSeek can be your ultimate blogging assistant. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments down below. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.